So guys, we're working on this lovely E63 AMG Mercedes, and we're going to do enhancement package, literally completely decontamination of the vehicle, of the paint, two-stage polish and ceramic coating for 4 years after protection. So now guys, I'm going to show you before and after the swell marks, scratches from car washes and acids, especially make this paint very milky and very dullish color during the years. So you see all this milkiness is literally white from the car washes, from the acid. And you see the swells and literally needle scratches quite deep in the lacquer. And after that, you see it's much better improvement. You are able to see the metallic color because we get rid of the milkiness, scratches, and literally acids from the paint. So this is after, and this is before. So once we do whole car, literally the result is second to none because it's much more uniform and preserved and gloss and shiny. Also guys, what the client's request was put new badges. So we got AMG badge, E63 badge. We're going to place it on a panel. Plus, he want us to get rid of the old one, the scratched up, and we're going to replace it for brand new one. But before that, obviously, we're going to polish the panel and it'll be like brand new again. So the clients have two dogs, and they definitely leave us some hair. You see, got the contamination on a window, on a carpet, and literally we're going to strip it down, wet and dry completely this carpet, and preserve it with the interior protection products. So as you see guys, it's stunning, absolutely stunning interior in terms of leather seats. The dash is absolutely beautiful. But what we're going to do in terms of seats, we're going to decolonize the seat. So this would look like brand new. I would say 15,000 miles for sure. And in terms of the dash, everything is original as a wood. So everything will be polished to perfection again. And we're going to steam it and preserve it with leather conditions. So we finish E63 AMG, and guys, thank you very much for all your support on the YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe, always help the little business. And thank you again, and see you with the next one.